Hey everyone, in this video I'll be sharing my thoughts on the PlayStation 5, the latest gaming console from Sony. I've had the chance to spend some time with the console and have played a variety of games on it, so I'll be sharing my thoughts on the hardware, controller, and games as well as some of the features of the console. If you're considering picking up a PlayStation 5 or just want to know more about it, be sure to stick around for the full review. I recently got my hands on a PlayStation 5 and have been really impressed with what it has to offer. One of the first things that stood out to me was the design of the console. It's a bit larger than the PlayStation 4, but it has a sleek and modern look that I really like. The white color option is particularly eye-catching. The overall build quality feels solid, and the disk drive is almost completely silent when it's in use. The hardware under the hood is impressive as well. The AMD Zen 2 processor and AMD RDNA 2 graphics processor provide plenty of power for the latest games, and load times are significantly faster than on the PlayStation 4 thanks to the custom SSD. I've been able to run games at high frame rates and with all the graphical settings turned up, and the experience has been smooth and visually stunning. The DualSense controller that comes with the PlayStation 5 is a significant upgrade over the DualShock 4. The haptic feedback and adaptive triggers add a new level of immersion to games, and the overall build quality feels more premium. The battery life is also longer than on the DualShock 4, which is a welcome improvement. In terms of features, the PlayStation 5 has a lot to offer. The integration with the PlayStation Network is seamless, and the ability to play games remotely on other devices is a convenient feature. The PlayStation Plus collection, which allows subscribers to play a selection of PlayStation 4 games on the PlayStation 5, is a nice bonus. As for the games, the selection at launch was a bit limited, but there were a few standouts. Spider-Man, Miles Morales, and Ghost of Tsushima were both excellent experiences, and I'm looking forward to playing more of the games that are coming in the future. The backwards compatibility with PlayStation 4 games is a nice touch as well, allowing me to continue playing some of my favorites from the previous generation. Overall, I'm really happy with my purchase of the PlayStation 5. The hardware is top-notch, the controller is a major improvement, and the games that are available are already great. If you're a fan of console gaming, I definitely recommend giving the PlayStation 5 a look. If you're interested in purchasing PlayStation 5, please consider using our Amazon affiliate link. Your support helps us to continue creating helpful product review videos like this one. If you like this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to our Pinnacle Products review channel. We'll be back with more reviews in the future. Thanks for watching.